Hey everybody, Andre from the Growth team here, and today I will describe how to set up SCIM user provisioning with the suite SSO. As it typically happens with anything SSO related, in order to set it up, you need to have access to two things. One is you need to have this access to admin UI of your identity provider. It's Okta in my case. And secondly, you need to be able to access the SSO settings in Suite, which means you need to have owner rights in your IDM organization. So let's start setting the SCIM up by selecting the appropriate option in the provisioning settings. So as you can see in provisioning, I select SCIM, click Save. So once the settings were saved, the provisioning tab appeared in front of me. So let's open that and see the form with the settings we need to fill in here in order to make this thing work. Click Edit, and we need to provide the base URL for SCIM connection, which we can find in the IDM settings. We scroll down, we enable SCIM here, and you can see the base URL in the UI. Let's copy that and put in this interface. Next, it is required to fill in the unique identifier field for users. There are two available. It's email or username, and in my case, I will be using the email. Here, please select these two check marks, which are supported in the current state. It's push new users and push profile updates. And for authentication method, I suggest to use the HTTP header, and the token will be provided by IDM UI. Before copying the bearer token from here right away, please fill in any random string of words and numbers and letters into SCIM secret. This is extra security layer to make sure that SCIM could not be impersonated by a third party. So let's just put something here, click Save, so it would be applied, and copy the token back to the identity provider. Let's test the connection configuration, and everything seems to work. Let's hit Save here. And on the last step, we need to finish the settings in Okta and allow the application to create users and update user attributes. Deactivating or deleting users is not yet available with the SCIM integration, and it will come sometime later, most probably in Q1 2024. So I'm saving this setup. And yes, these are the steps to take to set it up. In the next video, I will demonstrate you how the user provisioning works. Thank you.